Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Xiaomi 13. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, look for the app called Google Classroom. Install it. When it's ready, open your app, allow to send notifications and click on Get Started. Choose the account for your classroom and press on OK. Tap on the plus button, join class. Here enter your class code, and when you're ready, you should be able to connect with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.